Hello everyone, welcome to my page. If you are watching me on Facebook or TikTok, and if you are watching me on YouTube, I welcome you to my channel. My page is dedicated to talk about women's health, and today we are going to talk about a topic that concerns women, and this is pap smear. Pap smear is done when a cell sample is taken from the cervix to actually take to the laboratory to detect if there is abnormal cell which can later develop into cervical cancer in order to promote prompt care and prevent complications that can arise from it. These tests can be done by women between the age of 21 to 65 years of age. How an individual will do it frequently depends on the family history. A woman who has a family history of cervical cancer can do it frequently in 3 years, coupled with DNA of the cervix as well, compared to a woman who has done it like 3-4 times before and there is no any abnormality. So all these factors will determine how frequent an individual woman will be going for screening. Another thing that must be click and check before the procedure is that you must avoid sexual intercourse before the procedure for like 48 hours. You must avoid using any vaginal cream and also avoid a tampon as well. And make sure you ease yourself when you want to do before doing the procedure. These are tips that can be done before carrying out this procedure. What are the equipment to use for this procedure so that you can know that it's not something big that can make it painful? Number one is couscous speculum, variable disposable one, endocervical brush or spatula, lubricants, light source, sterile glove, container to take the specimen to the lab. These are the things that they are going to need. The next step is now to do the procedure. The woman will be placed in modified lithotomy position and privacy will be provided for her. They will expose her genital in order to see what they want to do. So the couscous speculum will be inserted into the woman's vagina until when the cervix is fixed. After that, the endocervical brush will be inserted at the mouth of the uterus in a clockwise method. It can be done like 3 to 5 times. After the provider sees that she has collected enough sample, the specimen will be put inside a bowl to take to the lab or is on a slide to take to the lab. You will be advised to wear your clothes and give you an appointment to come back to check for your test results. I've come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. And as a woman watching me right now, I wish you good health and please take control of your health. Bye.